Okay, boys and girls, welcome to math. And today we're going to make a number line, and then we're going to draw some objects and circle what is greater or less. Are you ready? Now our number line is going to be really simple. We're just going to write the numbers straight in a row. So we're going to start with 0, 1, 2, and boys and girls, if I'm going too fast, you can stop the video to catch up. After 2 is what? That's right, 3. Then 4. And then 5. And then 6. And then 7. And then 8. 9. What comes after 9? That's right, 10. All right. So let's count forwards and backwards, boys and girls. Let's start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, with our fingers, let's show some numbers. You ready? Show me 6. There's 6. Now, show me 2. All right, there's 2. Show me 0. 0, right? Nothing. And show me 9. Can you show me 9? There's 9. All right. You can always check just by counting your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, boys and girls. Now we're going to draw some groups of objects, and then we're going to circle the one that is greater, and then we're going to circle in another couple groups the one that is less. Okay. So first we're going to do the greater ones. So I'm going to get my marker or crayon or pencil, and I'm going to do 2 sets of objects. Now you could draw stars if you wanted to. You could draw moons. You could draw cakes. Whatever you want. You could draw cupcakes. But for this, I'm just going to keep it super simple and do circles. So you can do circles as well, or squares, whatever you want. But I'm going to do circles. So I'm going to go right over here, and I'm going to do, and I want you to do the same thing. I'm going to do 3 on this side. So 3, I'm doing 3 circles. You could do 3 unicorns or 3 stars or whatever you wanted. But go ahead and put 3 of them, whatever it is, on that side. And you could pause this. Go ahead and catch up. And then, boys and girls, on the other side, I'm going to put 5. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay? Now, if you have those drawn, I want you to circle the group that has the greater number. Which one is greater? 3 or 5? Now, I'm not going to do it. I want you to do it and see if you can show me what that is. All right. Now, let's do one more underneath. And we're going to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll stop counting. You can keep counting. Okay? And then on the other side, and I won't count at all, and you can count these. All right. Now, go ahead and circle the group, this one or that one, that is greater. Which is the greater number? That one or that one? What do you think? Okay. So now I'm going to put a line, and you can put a line too to kind of divide the page. And underneath, I'm going to draw some more sets of objects. Again, whatever you want. I'm doing circles. You can just keep it super simple. You could even do dots if you wanted to. But whatever you want. And then we're going to now do less. So we did greater up here, and we're going to do less down here. So here we go. This time I'm going to do squares. and I won't count out loud, just do this amount of squares. Okay? With that many. Didn't have to be exactly the way that I put them, just put that many squares. Okay? And then, all right. Finish that square. Okay. Boys and girls, I want you to circle the group that has less. Not greater this time, but less. Is it this one or that one? Okay. Now if you've circled that, we're going to go ahead and do another pair of groups, and this will be our last one, okay? All right, here's my first group. Kind of close a few of these off here. How many is that? Okay, here we go. You can put them in any kind of order you want there. We'll put that many objects there. All right, so now we have this one, this group here, and this group. Which group is less? Which has less? And circle that group. All right. Okay, boys and girls, so we circled the ones up here that were greater. Is it this one or that one? And which has the greater amount? This one or that one? Remember, greater means more. And then down below, it's less. Which has less? This group or that group? And this group or that group. All right, when you finish, you can color those objects if you want, or you can just circle them and show greater and less. Take a picture and upload that, and that is our math for today. Thank you for joining me.